All right, well, we are about to go on the maiden voyage of the Blur. Bryan is here, and he's gonna take his car for a drive for the first time, and he wants to drive it 15 minutes away to the gas station on a mountain road.
His is ready.
With no cell service. Yeah, this should be fun. I'm gonna follow behind him, and we're gonna see how this goes. God, it looks so good, don't it?
Oh God, I do not want to see that car go to California.
Look at it.
It's moving, it's moving.
Driving.
It's really moving.
We did this, you know that, right?
Everybody.
Now, we don't care if this engine explodes. We have a K20 Z3 that we actually got to go pick up the head. They're putting Ferrera valves in it right now. And then we're going to assemble the new engine. I've got the tow straps and some basic tools in the car in case the Blur breaks down. It's only got like 2 gallons of gas, which if you know a Fiero means you're going to be walking soon. So his bright idea for a first drive was to drive it 15 minutes away on a twisty mountain road with no cell service out in the middle of nowhere because it'll make it to the gas station.
Will it?
Hey, the brake lights work. All of them. That's a good looking car though. God, it's a good looking car. And it's still got the old tail lights. We haven't put his new tail lights in or anything. 1-lane road ahead. The fan's working, cycling on and off. It's idling because we did the idle learn. It sounds so good. It pops and burbles on the overrun. I mean, it's a legal car. It's insured, it's licensed, it's registered. I mean, it just don't have a state inspection on it, but that's just a simple stop in town somewhere and get one put on.
You know you're gonna have to blur out the license plate.
What? He's gonna change it. I don't know if he's keeping those plates or not.
God, it looks beautiful.
God, look how little. I forgot how small those are.
I don't know how you would forget.
Right? Oh, you can tell the struts are blown. You see how it bounces?
Yes. It's like I'm trying to keep the camera steady.
Yeah, we've got new ones for it. We just haven't put them on yet. But yeah, that's her driving on her own. I sure hope I tightened up wheel lug nuts on it. I don't remember. We maybe should have checked them before we left, but you know, it'll be fine. He ain't afraid to drive it, is he?
No.
See, I'd be putting it everywhere. And just on it goes.
Because he doesn't see this as like a car that he spent so much work into.
Yeah.
No, he sees this as like a toy.
He forgets you and I are the ones that built that car, right?
Pretty much. God, it looks beautiful. I can't get over that. It looks so good.
It does. Sounds good too.
Watch, whenever he gets to Cali, he's gonna take off the muffler.
You're
Yeah,
popping and banging?
Yeah. He's gonna make it an obnoxiously loud car.
Oh yeah. It's quick for just that K20 A3 in it. That's why I told him, I said, he doesn't understand with the K20 Z3, you're talking about 230 horsepower. The Fiero's gonna rip with that. And I'm like, and then you double that with a turbo. I can't believe he's driving it.
I can't believe it's driving.
It's been a long time coming. It looks so good.
I really like it when it's just like the brake lights come on.
Not smoking
Yet.
Well, it's a new engine. I mean, essentially, it's a new engine. I think we should have a celebratory drink once we get here.
How do you like it?
We made it.
How do you like it?
I never had a doubt that it would
Oh
make
no. I love it. It's bumpy.
I never doubted it would make it for the first drive in 8 years.
You don't have a speedometer?
Nope.
Just guess.
Got no speedometer and not a good alignment. There's a bump. There's more bumps.
Holy. There's an earthquake. How's the steering on it?
Really loose. We gotta get an alignment.
Hey, drive!
We're almost there, right?
Yep. Absolute beautiful car.
We made it! VTEC.
See, there's no hornet's nest in here, right?
There is. There's one right behind that marker
Okay,
light.
because they're all okay.
Yeah, that's where they... Well, I didn't hear a crunch when I came in, so we didn't run it over.
Yeah, 6 of them just flew in there.
Yeah. They're like, we're home!
Yeah, there's a hornet's nest in here.
Extra protein.
No one's eating that. Oh, God.
Yep, there he come out. Look. Oh, they're pissed!
I'm going back inside.
They're pissed!
Yeah.
Me too. It's in. They're in the car.
Yeah.
Right behind the side marker light up front. Why'd you do that? Because I wanted to prove that they were there. Look at them. Yeah. Chase, there's a can of bee killer in the mudroom.
VTEC, yo.
You're so cute.